Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and we're just a few days out from our big spring fling, our April open house. It's the cap to our boat show season. It is a big sale, but this is a big social event too. I know everybody's been on high idle, and as the season has come on, we're really waiting for the lakes to open up so we can go boating. I've been out and about looking at the landings today, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. The lakes are starting to kind of relinquish, and we're really seeing the ice recede, so it won't be long. I'm thinking within a couple of weeks we're going to be launching boats. So this weekend's social event and sale, we'll have the grill going, we'll have special refreshments, of course, you know, and there'll be all kinds of stuff going on. Your neighbors will be here, you should be here too. Come on down and let's enjoy boating. We're almost there. We've almost got this winter licked. So it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, 3 days out from our April open house. Saturday 8 to 5 and Sunday 10 to 3, maybe 4. We'll hang around as long as you're here, so, or as long as the beer holds up. Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. April open house this weekend. Let's kick off spring together.